Hey y'all, it's Deanna, and we're going to talk about adding polynomials. Let me get up to that right slide. There we go, adding polynomials. So let's understand what like and unlike terms are here and how we can apply that to adding polynomials. All right, so just review for a second. A variable is a letter or a symbol. Okay, and the degree of a term is represented by the sum of the exponents within a term. Okay? All right. And also, let's talk about a like term. So, like terms have the same variables with the same degrees. So, for instance, if I had 2x squared, okay, plus 3x squared, these are like terms because they have the same variable x and the same degree of 2. So I can combine these like terms. But for instance, if I had 3x squared plus 2x, well, these both have the variable x, but they do not have the same degree. This is actually to the power of 1, but it's 2 different degrees, so these are unlike terms. All right, so let's add some polynomials here so we can put this practice to play. We have 5x plus 6 plus 4x plus 13. All right, so indeed, let's add the like terms. We have 5x plus 4x. They both share the variable x and they both have the same degree of 1. Okay, so let's combine them by adding only the coefficients, 5 and 4. And 5 plus 4 is 9x. Okay? Now let's add these constants. We have a constant of 6 and a constant of 13. So 6 plus 13, we're going to add those two together and get 19. All right, so we added these two binomials by combining the like terms. Here's another exercise. So we have x plus 4y minus 2 added to 12x plus 13. So let's combine the like terms. First, we have the term that has a variable x. Okay, so the first one we have x, and the second one we have 12x. Okay, and you know the product of x and 1 will give you just x. So let's see here, what's 1 plus 12? In total, we have 13x. All right, now our next like part, we have 4y. Well, in the second term, we don't have anything to add to 4y because there's not a term with the variable y. So let's just bring that on down. Oop, put the color on there. Plus 4y. All right, and then we have our constants. We have minus 2 and 13. So we can say this as like negative 2 plus 13. All right, and then indeed this is going to give us plus 11. So we combined our like terms and we added our polynomials to give us 13x plus 4y plus 11. Alrighty, here's another one. I encourage you to pause and try it out for yourself and come back to us. So this is 5x squared plus 8xy minus 9 added to 10x squared plus 7xy minus 10. So let's combine our like terms. Okay, so we have 5x squared, and in the second polynomial we have 10x squared. So we only add our coefficients here. 5 plus 10 is 15, and we keep our variable and degree, 15x squared. All right, our next term, we have 8xy, and in the second polynomial, we have 7xy. So combining these like terms by adding only the coefficients, we have 15, keeping our symbols, xy. All right, and then we have minus 9 and minus 10. So combining these like terms, we will have minus 19. All right, and there we go, adding our polynomials.